Right, there we go.
Right, so these are Apivar strips.
Apivar.
I leave them for 8 weeks. It says on there 6 weeks on the packet, and you put them in between the brood, so you can guess pretty much the brood is going to be in the middle-ish. So you slowly ease it down, and obviously the bees walk over it, and that kills the varroa. Be careful though, don't ram it down, because the queen might be in there, you don't know. We're trying to ram the strip down, so do it nice and gently. And that's all there is to it.
So they're ready pretty much for the winter now, really, aren't
Yeah, I'll take them out. I want to leave them for 2 months. So I'll need to take these out end of October, really. Yeah, end of October. And then I'll do an oxalic acid treatment in December sometime. Squish the bees. That's that one done. So I put some feed on this one because that was a bit short last week when I took the supers off. I filled up Saturday actually, so we'll see if they're. I don't really want to give them any more feed. Yeah, see, I took it all down.
you? You don't want to give them too much, so they think they're on the...
I want to fill it up completely. I want to still carry on laying. I did put the old shavings in because there was a few getting underneath drowning. Just give them a bit of something to. Do I give them a little bit or not? I might just give them a tiny bit.
Do you want to put the strips in first?
Oh yeah, good point. Yeah, it's so full they are anyway. That's pretty good. Yeah, so they're, I mean these were, see how much food there, sugar syrup they put in.
We've got plenty of food now, really.
Yeah, there's enough there. Strips, right. I'll put the feeder back on though, because
Yeah, it's there now, isn't it?
so I'll check them. Like I say, we ain't even in September yet, and
Yeah, we've still got some warm weather to come, really, and it's just us got a bit...
the problem I've done in the past is come 1st September, whack all the feeders on, fill them right up, take it all down, but putting a little bit in this time of year, they think they're kind of on a flow, and so the queen will keep laying a few more eggs.
Yeah.
So that boosts the colony. So and then I've got till, I mean, you can feed them end of September, beginning of October if the weather's all right. So I'm not gonna. I don't want to cram out of food and she's got nowhere to lay, because then you get more winter bees, bigger colonies going through winters, which is a good thing. So I'll just leave it on. But like I say, that won't have food in it anyway. Enough food. But I might have to feed in the next month. Like
Yeah,
I say,
yeah, that's right. Yeah, like we will do in the winter, wouldn't we?
But the ones that I've took the supers off, I had a look and thought that them 3 had enough food. That one I fed because it was pretty empty. I'm just hoping with the ivy will be out soon, so then they can fill up as well.
Right, yeah, they'll fill
So
up
the
on their
longer I
own.
leave it, where say we're normally just bloody whack load of food on beginning of September, or leave it a bit longer, they can fill their brew box up themselves.
Yeah.
And for one thing, that saved me money on buying more sugar, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So that's the way I'm looking at that one. So once again, doing it a little bit differently, thinking don't rush in and think, oh, you need to feed now. Sugar syrup, if it goes below 10 degrees, they won't take it down because they can't process it.
Right.
But September's going to stay reasonably
Yeah.
warmish,
Right, yeah.
so I'm not going to. Right, so they've got a plate of food.